the digit of 1 zettabyte global traffic. It's a big digit. And what's next? What's next? Smart everything. Cyber physical systems. We have smart glasses, smart clocks, we have wearable electronics like Nike do, and we have smart devices in the car. This is new, and this is our future. So, according to this, I want to say that device is the main component of our life. I hope everything and everybody in this audience has a device, any device, smart device. So device is our future, and as all of us have device, all of us could be signed into cloud system and to be identified for some aims. What we propose? We propose to use your device and clouds for intellectual car monitoring and control. Monitoring and control of traffic. So, the picture shows exhaustive reflection of virtual parts and real things at Earth. The principle is we delegate, for example, car driver delegate his info to the cloud. And instead of this, he had a lot of possibilities. So we propose to use this as an innovation idea in this area. And what we have already today, technologies gives us future gadgets, three-dimensional identifiers for each square meter. So this is our future, to be identified in every square meter. Gadget is only input and output of the scheme. So we no more need any other things for identification. The gadget, we need only gadget, and we sign in the cloud. The picture shows common structure of my iCloud traffic control scheme. iCloud doesn't mean something like Apple do, but intellectual cloud. This part, security, is for secure and protect monitoring, storage, and controlling of traffic of the structure. This is analytical view. We have a lot of blocks, but all of them could be minimizing to this one, only 3, and G is gadget. So what we had before this, we had stupid numbers with digits and letters. So this is yesterday. We propose to use modern technologies. For example, such like RFID technology, and the conception is to make a digital passport of car. So we use digital identification, no any metal and no numbers. The digital passport is a car plus driver's license. Everything connected with drivers. So we propose to use this technology, and this is some components of our cloud system. We can use this RFID tag scanning, like some examples. For example, using at park lines to be identified in payment roads. And the second is telemetry module Sherlock is used in the next slides. Is a part of our global system, is a part of whole infrastructure with SIM card slow, GPS indicator, and some other, also with security blocks for protection. Who else maybe complete this problem? Maybe will be better of us. As you know, a lot of companies are developing such ideas, but only the thinner part of them. And what we propose to gather all ideas, together all things, all logic, all we can do, and to gather it in the whole infrastructure to make work better. And not to be boring, just two formulas of logic of our system for minimizing time and for minimizing traffic jams. As you know, some of one of the famous company do something like that, but only map service with colors, and we don't actually know how it works. And I think our structure proposed in this project could be better because of gathering all modern and innovative ideas. And also it's have a huge mathematical background. What about security, you say? Yeah, security. As I told before, we use secure data blocks. This part decided at our department and National University of Radio Electronics. Secure blocks at hardware is a hardware part. And also we need to use keys and electronic sign also and encryption. This is our suggestions to Kaspersky Lab to implement their clever ideas into our project for the best solution. And this is a place for applying the power of Kaspersky Lab. So we need to connect and to work together to make the best product on the market. Innovations we have is comfort. First of all, comfort for driver, and also additional services. And the main is deciding the problem is present and still not decided. So we planning the best route for driver, the optimal route. We have also mathematical background how to make the best decision between 2 points, and we can give intellectual history of car movement. This is also important for some third-party companies like insurances and so on. Cloud monitoring using, for example, RFID-TX service for intelligent managing of the system, and we optimizing things that is important for all processes. Novelty of our projects and some benefits you will see. This is the most important. We decreasing carbon dioxide emissions 30%. So we making our world cleaner, like Kaspersky do, making greener and cleaner, and we do. We eliminating car theft because of using electronic digital car passport. This is very important things. We minimizing road accidents. As you know, many deaths of people every minute. And we simplifying car registration. This is also important things, how to get when I buy a new car and well, when I give it rent a new car, to simplify the registration process. And we need to be more modern in this area. And we're saving thousands of tons of metal. We don't even use the numbers of cars. We don't even use signs at roads and street lights. We all these components shift to cloud and display at virtual map. So this is intellectual virtual elements of our cloud. And to make as you know, street lights is a lot of money. And if we use electronic components, we just double click and have new sign, and we can change it online. And it's real time is the main point of our project. All processes are real time and up to date. What we have at past, rubbish, and green future. As I told before, we clear our streets from rubbish. Let me show just a little example of our prototype. This is a real working system in Ukraine, in Kiev. This is taxi service which use some prototype of our system, and this is the address is gpsrfid.com Ukraine. We need to identify. Yes. So we have online display the situation. For example, you see here we can scale it. We can look at car and see the components. We can see the speed, some other parameters. Also, there are a lot of defaults or a lot of settings. We can make a lot of reports. You see the interface is very modern, and this is the real working prototype. So, back into my presentation, I'd like to say some more. Thanks a lot. What about market feasibility? Important things of every big project. We expect
Artur.
to make startup within 10 months. As you know, a lot of companies are interested in this, and we have a lot of propositions. But first of all, we expecting to just the last sentences. We expect to co-working with Kaspersky Lab because we need good specialists in secure area. And our project has scalable architecture from the street to country, and the message is every change which follows the market success. Our team is Vladimir Hakhanov is present here, me, and other 20 leading scientists from 10 universities, and we engaged people from different countries, because you can imagine how big is project. And all achievements for today, what we have done. Yes, we have gold medal for the first place in regional competitions. We have a lot of publications. We have patented our device, and we're not staying at the place. We're working and going on. And we are looking for the best specialists, I have told before, first of all in Kaspersky Lab, to be engaged in our infrastructure, intellectual and modern systems to make our world greener and cleaner. Thanks a lot.